Hi everyone, Peter from Children's Emporium here. We're going to be making this little origami cat. So you're going to need felted pens, piece of paper, don't use card because it's too hard, then a pencil, ruler and some scissors. You're going to start off by making a 2-inch square and a 3-inch square. So just use your ruler and pencil to mark it all up. So it's 50 centimeters, or 50 millimeters, sorry. So now just cut them out. There you go. So you got 2 squares. And the little one, you're going to fold that in half. So it's now a triangle. And open it back out. And then fold these bits into the middle. Like so, on both sides. So now when you fold it back up, you've got this shape. Now you just want to fold these bits back on itself. Make sure you use on both sides, like so, and then you've got the little head. So to make the body, take the bigger square, fold them in half, like so, and then this one, what we're going to do is have it so it's this way round. You're going to just fold down that top piece so that can just slot into the head, and then this piece you're going to fold it round and up to make the tail, and then this bit just slots into the gap at the bottom of the head, like so, and then you can just colour it in, put all the tape out here, and then you can just colour it all in. Look, you've got your cat's face on it. There you go, all done.